this little guy, LED, cannot see it right there, LED, make it light up using, right now, the battery, 9-volt battery, of course the LED light, and the alligator clip. Now, how are we going to do that? Oh, and the resistor, of course, the resistor. But we don't know what color, we don't know what color the resistor needs to be. As you see, there are different color bands, and we don't know if this one is going to work for this. So you have to use the formula, and according to Ohm's law, resistance equals voltage over current. Now, I got that off my handy dandy notes, by the way, as you see over there on my MacBook. Back to this. Okay, so trying to calculate resistance, 9 volts, the battery goes on top, then 0.02 is on one of those slides over here, and it's 0.02 is the max that the LED can handle before it blows. So we're going to do 9 divided by 0.02. Where's my calculator? My phone is my calculator. Okay, well, I'm going to use this calculator. 9 divided by 0.02 equals, as I've wrote already, 450. So we need to find a color band that's going to equal that. And as you see, as I've wrote it down, band 1 is the first digit. And I picked yellow, which is going to be a digit of 4. And as you see here, this is yellow. That's going to be 4. The second one, second digit, purple, is 7. So as you see, purple right there. Band 3 is the multiplier, and it's red, which is 10 to the second power, also 100. So 47 times 100 is going to be 470. Band 4 is always either gold or silver, so it's going to be a plus or minus of 5%. So that's, with 470, plus or minus 5% is not going to put us under and make the stuff not work. So we're going to go ahead and try this out. Going to hook the alligator clip. Well, this is the same one as you see. So I'm just going to use this one because it's already connected to the alligator clip. And electric current either flows plus to minus or minus to plus. Positive, negative, whatever. Okay. So, and as we have found out, the long thing on the LED, or the long wire on the LED, is the positive, and the short one is the negative. So I'm plugging it into positive right now, so I'm going to have to plug it in to positive before I plug it back into the negative. So I'm going to have to do the long wire, and then, well, my hand's covering it. I'm going to have to do the long wire right here, bam! Take it off, put it on, still works. Okay, that part's done. So now we got this tip sleeve cable, TS cable, that we're going to have to do the same thing here, but make the current go through this bad boy and back into the light, make it work. So, how are we going to do that? The sleeve controls one wire in the TS cable, and the tip controls another. That is why it's called a tip sleeve. So, take the small one out. We're gonna go plus to minus, or no, we're gonna minus plus this time because it's bigger, and I just decided to do it. Go to the sleeve first, just because that's how we're rocking it. And then we use a small one for this because we're gonna go sleeve to sleeve, and this one's kind of hard. Sleeve to sleeve, and then back to the tip, and then it's gonna come out the tip on the other side. So visualize that. Hold on a second. So sleeve, sleeve, tip, tip, and then go back into the battery, and then we got a light bulb. Work. Should work. We're hoping that's gonna work. So again, we're going negative to positive. So coming back out here, so I need a resistor. This is the same resistor I was using. Got the light. Okay. And the gold is gonna want to be the last thing. So the first band closest to the tip is going to have to be the yellow. So we touch that to the tip. Actually, I'm going to clip it because that way I just was trying to do this before the video and I couldn't hold enough stuff. Apparently we only have 2 hands. Okay, so I'm just clipping this. This is only so I don't have to hold it. Bam. Okay. Now the fun part where you see magic. So we're going started at negative, we're going to positive, so we're still going to need to plug the shorter end, the negative, in, and then well, I don't want to cover it, and the positive goes right, okay, no, negative, it's not working, Ghost Rider. Okay, we're going to have to figure out what I'm doing wrong. Just worked. Alright, well, could be this. Might not be on the tip. Now it's for sure on the tip. No question about that. There it is. That's what it was. It wasn't on the tip. But as you see, that is how signal flow works in a nutshell. There you go. Raphael out.